Hey, how's it going? Phil here, and this is a review for Bago's packing cubes. These are the packing cubes. You'll receive a set of 4 of them in a reusable zip-top bag. The bags are nested in the original packaging. Inside the first bag, there's an included set of assorted plastic zip-top bags to further help you pack and organize your belongings. These are great for toiletries to protect the rest of your luggage from spills or leaks, or even documents to keep them from getting scattered, wet, or damaged. Including the external packaging, you'll receive a total of 7 zip-top bags. There are 2 sizes for the packing cubes. You'll receive 2 8 by 13 by 3 inch and 2 11.5 by 15.5 by 3 inch packing cubes. These cubes come in a variety of colors, but the set of 4 of them will be the same color. These are made of a lightweight, durable nylon fabric that resists tears and punctures. Each bag has a mesh face so you can easily see the contents of the bag and identify what's inside. The zippers slide smoothly and have nylon cords with plastic tabs as zipper pulls. While the fabric is moisture resistant to spills, the mesh windows obviously makes these bags not waterproof. Each bag also has a fabric handle that you can use to carry the bag. I found that these have more than enough room for 2 weeks of luggage, and it's great because you can sort them by clothing type. So for example, I can use the larger ones for shorts and jeans, and the second large one for shirts, and then one of the smaller ones for socks and underwear, and the second one for toiletries. There's even still room to spare, even with all this stuff. This makes it easy to sort and organize your luggage, and just grab the bag that you're looking for so you can go through less stuff than dig through your entire bag or suitcase for something specific. You can even get creative and use each pack for different days or outfits. These will certainly come in handy for my next vacation. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and join me next time.